Hello and welcome to English 101. My name is Christopher Hawkins and I will be your writing mentor this session. I know many of you are starting out on your college journey and English 101 will be a challenging experience, but one that I think you will find rewarding. You will be encountering new genres in which to write, as well as new forms of technology to really make your writing come alive. About me, I am a senior. I will be graduating in May from the Cronkite School with a degree in Mass Communications and Media Studies. It's my dream come true to actually finish college. I thought it would never happen, but here we are. Um, my hobbies include reading when I have the chance and not too much homework. I like Hemingway, Faulkner, Edgar Allan Poe, but I also like more modern stuff like Anne Rice. I'm a musician. I've been a bass player for decades. I'm also a journalist and write about albums and interview artists as well. My role is mainly to help you with your writing. I will be holding drop-in labs and revision workshops throughout the session, as well as grading your peer reviews and discussion boards. Ultimately, I am a resource for you. Please do not hesitate to contact me. You can email me anytime at chhawkin, that's CHHAWKIN at asu.edu. I wish you all the best of luck. Thank you.